As the Pi network ecosystem matures, a crucial infrastructure development is taking shape. Pi Bank, designed to function as the governance hub of assets within the network. This new feature marks a strategic leap toward empowering decentralized finance models, laying the groundwork for future applications across thousands of decentralized apps and global partnerships. What is Pi Bank? Pi Bank is more than a financial ledger. It's the governance engine for the Pi economy. It acts as a central hub overseeing asset management, permissions, financial operations, and tracking within the Pi ecosystem. A recent image shared by the community illustrates just a few select functions, though in reality, Pi Bank is expected to encompass vastly broader capabilities as the network grows. Governance at scale. With thousands of partners and decentralized apps expected to enter the ecosystem, Pi Bank will provide crucial oversight and coordination. Whether it's a small community barter application or a global fintech integration, Pi Bank will ensure asset permissions and controls, defining who can hold, transfer, or stake assets, governance voting mechanisms, allowing users and institutions to influence protocol changes, compliance and transparency protocols, in line with evolving national regulations, automated financial contracts, facilitating decentralized finance use cases such as lending, staking, and revenue sharing. By centralizing administrative and regulatory governance, Pi Bank is poised to bring order to a rapidly expanding decentralized ecosystem. Bridging the Pi ecosystem and real-world partners. As Pi Network continues to broaden its reach, partner onboarding and decentralized app launches are accelerating. Potential collaborators may range from local retailers and fintech startups to cross-border trade platforms. To allow these real-world actors to interact with Pi seamlessly, Pi Bank's infrastructure will offer accountable custody paths for personal, corporate, and institutional assets. Corporate governance tools like multi-sig transactions and treasury management, regulatory support, particularly in jurisdictions requiring Know Your Customer or Know Your Business proofing. In short, Pi Bank equips both individuals and businesses with secure and compliant pathways to leverage Pi beyond token wallets. In traditional decentralized finance ecosystems, complex smart contract stacks have managed assets, lending, stakes, and organizational governance. Pi Bank consolidates these capabilities into an integrated system, one that, really aligns with Pi's mobile-first user-centric ethos. Unlike isolated DeFi platforms, Pi Bank is native to Pi Network. It operates cohesively with Pi's existing infrastructure, wallets, nodes, consensus mechanisms, to deliver a unified financial and governance experience. Looking ahead, Pi Bank's capabilities may support a wide spectrum of applications. For example, dApp asset pools could include community or group savings accounts, project funding pools, or savings circles. When it comes to decentralized governance, users might vote on budget allocations, app approvals, or protocol updates. Cross-institutional banking could enable small and medium enterprises and nonprofits to issue Pi-backed services or microloans. And escrow services and DeFi can help secure assets during decentralized commerce or digital loan agreements. By combining multi-party accountability, transparent auditing, and community-driven validation, Pi Bank benchmarks a new standard for decentralized asset governance. With global momentum toward crypto regulation, particularly around custody, anti-money laundering, and asset flow monitoring, Pi Bank plays a critical role. Its layered architecture ensures traceable asset flows while preserving user autonomy. It's, compliance-ready, balancing KYC and KYB integration with user privacy. There's also community-driven oversight, where daily participants can flag irregular transactions. This aligns closely with Pi's long-term vision, a digital economy built responsibly from the ground up. So laying the foundation for expansion, the next phase of Pi Network involves, significant ecosystem growth. Already there are hundreds of dApps targeting gaming, barter exchanges, microfinance, and digital goods that are in development. Global partnerships now include mobile-first merchants and payment processors in emerging markets. Institutional integration is also being eyed for microfinancial products and community savings among unbanked populations. This influx really demands dependable governance, reliable asset custody, and transparent oversight, needs that Pi Bank is, specifically designed to meet. Pi Bank, a new governance paradigm. Governance by design. Embedded in the white paper, Pi Bank really reflects Pi Network's commitment to decentralization and open finance. Community-centric oversight is at the core. Governance is shared and distributed. Nodes, pioneers, and stakeholders will collectively shape and enforce policies. There's also flexibility to innovate. Modular permission structures allow Pi Bank to support diverse use cases, from private wallets all the way to institutional-grade management. And of course, transparency with control on-chain transactions and asset flows are transparent to the network, while still respecting user privacy and security. The road ahead. As Pi Network accelerates toward open mainnet and global adoption, Pi Bank will be central to its governance ecosystem. There are a few critical milestones, including core implementation, launching initial asset management and governance features. Then, integration with wallets and dApps, enabling seamless access and decentralized user interfaces. Next, pilot institutional cases, onboarding small and medium enterprises and institutions for asset tokenization and governance. And finally, regulatory engagement, working with policymakers to ensure accountability and compliance. Final word. Pi Bank is not just another feature. It is the governance spine of Pi Network, enabling collective asset oversight, compliance, and innovation at scale. As the ecosystem welcomes thousands of dApps and partners, Pi Bank represents the network's promise, a decentralized yet secure platform where value truly resides in the hands of the community. In short, Pi Bank is governance made real. It's the key that unlocks Pi's next chapter of economic inclusion, powered not by admission codes or fiat anchors, but by shared stewardship and decentralized trust.